Welcome to the ITI Online Academy Learning Module, Oral Physiology by Vinay Kumar. Physiology may be defined as the study of the way in which a living organism or body part functions. Oral physiology concerns the stomatognathing system and the functioning and interaction of the teeth, jaws, and associated tissues. Knowledge of oral physiology is of prime importance because implant dentistry is, in essence, a treatment solution to improve the functioning of teeth and the stomatognathing system. In other words, implant dentistry is a treatment to improve oral physiology. Whether replacing a single tooth, multiple teeth, or a complete arch, implant treatment is centered on one main goal: to achieve functional outcomes, or in other terms, to achieve optimal physiologic outcomes. Structures of the oral cavity and associated tissues play important roles in mastication, swallowing, communication, and other functions. The components of oral physiology, although interlinked, can be divided for simplicity into various functional components, such as the teeth, periodontium, and oral mucosa. The aim of this module is to provide an overview of oral physiology as it relates to implant therapy in terms of these functional components. It cannot be an exhaustive discussion of these topics, but aims to introduce users to these issues and the way that oral physiology can influence implant treatments. The structure and function of the maxilla and mandible are covered in depth in the ITI Online Academy Learning Module, Anatomy with Relevance to Implant Surgery. After completing this ITI Online Academy module, you should be able to describe the oral cavity mucosa, its types, and their function. Describe the functions of teeth. Describe the structure and function of the periodontium. Describe the structure and function of the temporomandibular joint and muscles of mastication. And describe the function of salivary glands and saliva. ITI Online Academy learning modules offer a wide variety of features to optimize your learning. Every module starts off with an introduction that is followed by the learning objectives, giving you an overview of the main topics and learning goals covered. Each of the learning objectives is discussed in an individual topic chapter that concludes with a list of its key learning points. The summary at the end of each module combines the major key learning points across all learning objectives for final repetition and focus. You are free to jump from item to item at any time using the module navigation. If you interrupt a viewing session, you can always resume it at a later time at the exact point where you left off. The slides are enriched with interactive elements. You can expand literature references to get detailed information about the publication. In addition, you can look up definitions of specific terms, get further information about images, and enlarge images to scrutinize them in more detail. Every learning module is paired with a free assessment for continuing self-evaluation, allowing you to track your learning progress at any time. Take advantage of the Academy points earned in the free assessments to unlock learning modules free of charge. Unlock the complete learning module on academy.iti.org.